Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this 2019 Mercedes A180 SE Executive. Now this is the 1.3 134 brake horsepower engine. Yes, a 1.3 engine with 134 brake horsepower. Silky smooth, fantastic on fuel and absolutely a pleasure to drive. Now this car's finished in the mountain grey metallic, which arguably is one of the best colours that you can get in Mercedes-Benz. Every vehicle in this particular colour just shows off the chrome, the alloy wheels, the detailing and the styling of the front bumper. Everything about the car is in absolutely wonderful order. Now this is obviously the newer model. So we get the Executive. You can buy the SE, but then the Executive is a high specification, so rides on the 16-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels. Now we do get parking sensors front and rear, and also a reversing camera on this car. Standard, obviously, satellite navigation. We get a slightly larger screen on an Executive, and you also get heated seats. Now all the wheels are finished and in really brilliant order. Now when we detail the car in our workshops, they will remove the wheels, they will wash them inside out, we'll detail the calipers and the discs, but just look at the shine on that paintwork. The sides of the vehicle are free from any trolley dent. It is in a really fantastic order. A testament to the previous owner's care, this car. Very nice indeed. I'll show you all the wheels and you'll be super impressed. Now I've got both keys in the car in my pocket, and also we then have the reversing sensors on the back. We also have the reversing camera which just pops down from the tailgate once you select it. But the boot itself is fantastic, great size boot that. Fit most families' luggage and shopping in, prams, you name it, you'll fit it. Then we've got this storage facility underneath as well. The triangles there. Everything that was available when it was new is available today with us. So you've got everything there. Parking sensors again, as you see on the rear. But the passenger side and the driver's side are in absolutely gorgeous order. Just look at the shine on the paintwork there. Really well maintained and cared for car. Now, let's have a look inside, because that's where it really gets enjoyable. So if you're spending a long time and a lot of time in your car, just take a look at the sculpture and the styling of those seats. As we come round, we then get the power folding door mirrors. We then have electric windows, all four. Heated seats for the driver and the passenger. Chrome kick plate on the sill. And then this wonderful sculpted half leather sports seat. So the Sport has a very similar seat to the Executive. We all have the similar interior. And then you get this latest Mercedes-Benz screens that come across, which when I switch the car on, you'll see. Now jumping in, we have all the tech here. So we've got automatic headlamps. As I fire up there, you can see this, both screens come into light. As I say, the Executive has a larger screen on the left-hand side than the standard, so that's what you get. You get heated seats, powerful mirrors, and larger screens. Just but a few. Now, the steering wheel is multifunctional, so we've got volume and radio controls on the left, and we've got cruise control speed limiter on the right. Now, these little pads are stroke pads, so we just press those, and you can see then, as the car has done 41,143 miles. And then you can flick through, up and down, changing the clocks, changing the screens, just by this little wheel here. And then this particular pad here will then do the satellite navigation. But the car itself, select and reverse, then the reversing camera comes there on the left, and you've then got the parking sensors all around on the right. Digital climate control, air conditioning's there. We've got the 6-speed manual transmission, and then the pad again. So this pad here, you can adjust the sat nav as well again. So as I move the pad, you'll see various things lighting up. So you can do multiple tasks with this car, with this pad. In the centre box, we've then got a USB and an auxiliary, and then we've got another USB down there as well. So multiple USBs for charging. All the Bookpack and the locking wheel nuts are with the car. I don't smoke, and I can tell the last keeper wasn't a smoker in this car. But yeah, what a wonderful vehicle. Absolutely superb. You'll be happy with this car in any way. not really anything that can detract from buying it, and especially when you factor in it's an executive. So if you have a look in the rear, you'll see there then the seats again, they're all in wonderful as new order. Just look at the bases, no tears, plugs. Again, carpets, we shampoo everything in Alpha Motors, then deodorize it. So the car internally is as good as you can find. A wonderful, wonderful example. So, if you are looking for a 2019 A-Class Mercedes A180 SE Executive, I don't think you'll find a better one. In arguably one of the best colours, or my favourite colour anyway for a Mercedes, with all the bells and whistles, lovely mileage. We can take a $250 fully refundable reservation deposit on that. Give us a call. We can do that over the phone. That will then reserve that vehicle offline. We'll reserve it on our website. It'll be taken off all the Auto Trader, etc. for sale, and it's ready for you to inspect within the week. We'll get the car ready so you can drive away in the same day. You can pay on a banking app, finance. If you've got a part exchange, give us a call. I'll give you a price. I'm Graham, there's Dominic and there's Lee. We are the sales team at Alpha Motors. We will be happy to help you in any way. So thanks for watching my video, and I look forward to your inquiry.